welcome back to my channel, period. You see me? So, my name is Aisha, but you can call me Des. We're royalty over here. So, join the royalty gang by hitting that subscribe button and hitting that post notification bell. Drop a like, you see me? Drop a comment. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Leave a comment. When I hear some gunshot, but I live near a shooting range, you see me? So, don't mind that. Yeah. So, today we're doing yoga poses. You see me? We're going to get into it today. Namaste. So, MARI NOSO, big up my G. Yes, I want to run over to him page before I say nothing. MARI NOSO. You see me? Run over to him page. Him link I get in my description. You see it? So, run over to the page. You see me? I remember, guys, to show some love to the Instagram YouTubers promo page, which is YouTubers Jam. You see me? If you're a YouTuber and you're watching this video and you haven't followed this page, please go right now. You see me? So we're gonna just get into the video. Big up MARI NOSO. That right.
Hey guys, yes, I'm a sassy, bougie, ratchet. So, what the hell? You remember the song about? Yeah, man, yeah. Yeah, people, you don't know, MARI NOSO is it, share, comment, and subscribe is it, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any video. So, yeah, people. Mama, every day you know about, you know. Shit, get back to the video, yeah. So, yeah, people, so basically I give him some poses, it downward facing. Hold on, I'm pouring up this. What's in the easy? What time I pouring up something them thing, man? Guy, I wish hey, okay. Where you stop for? So, I think so I don't want to expose, you know. All this now. So, hold on, I rooftop to the pan. Oh, this one named Dancers Pose. I will long shot will for now. Watch it? No, sir. Oh, well, she scratch her head, so you know, so I difficult, you know. She scratch her head, no. But she can't work it out, man. I'm sure I'm going to. A penguin. Come on, man. 3 pose. He's swapping heavy. You can't balance. Watch it. Clap your hands and close your eyes, yeah. That's a 3. So you couldn't do that the whole time? How many things are some hard to do? Watch it. So, yeah, people, make sure you subscribe and you see it and like one. Yo, pretty tank on the back. The tank was just there in the corner, chill out, watch it. Yeah. What the name triangle? Yeah, man, go back. Hey, he's no more. I move so. Yeah, it's a triangle pose. Yo, back flick no man, and bust one split now or something, man. See people them. Comment down below, people, you want a part 2, is it? Mama go on good, man. So, yeah. I'll say all this now. I'll pose this. I want to name the warrior, people, is it? The warrior. Yeah, man. So I go on good, man. I can't believe sleep on the rooftop same way, man. You know. Just you know. Alright, so they're on the ground now, people. Yeah, man. A grounder. John was there. How would I want to name now? Seated, forward, full. Yeah, if you say them here a sexual position, them, you know, because I can't. Yoga thing, them thing, you know. Go to look. Watch it. Alright. Oh, that one in the talking belly. Oh, ankle pose. Touch your ankle. No? Look. No. Ankle. Yes. Tuck in. Yo, I sweat. Hold on in him. Bridge pose. Hold it. Skin up your face now, mama. Watch it. Alright, hold it. 1 foot up. That's what my finger for. How do? How I say it, say? Alright. No, man, if you put them to crumble up, sir. See how I drop too. What I want to name half pigeon pose. I most want Chinaman make that pose, dog. Alright. Nothing line of people. Mama heavy, man. People like how Mama heavy. Just give her a like, a seat. Smash the like button, people. Comment down below. Comment Mama heavy. Is it? Hashtag Mama heavy. Down below, people, yeah. So yeah, man. Should I do the half pigeon pose, you know? Yeah, man, that go on good so far, man. Okay, I should love the ground though, man. So maybe could have buy one matter or something.
Boy, if you don't get...
But, yeah, man. Continue. Wipe up the ground there, yeah. Alright. Next. Alright, yeah, we get it, man. You're good, man. I'm dead tired. What on the name? Support your solar pose. Alright, mama. Hold it. Yeah, man. No, my open up your legs, so. She smell it. I'm joking, people. But anyways.
Keep on liking, commenting, subscribing, guys. Yes, me turn on that post notification bell because we lit.